7 Italian doctors are facing trial after refusing to perform an abortion on a woman who later died. The woman in question was reportedly 5 months pregnant with twins when she suffered complications. She fell seriously ill, and according to her family, the doctors told her the twins would not survive, but refused to perform an abortion on moral grounds. Later, the woman miscarried and died of septic shock. Her parents blame the hospital for her death, but the doctors refute the claim.
The doctor told me, "Look, there is no hope for the babies, but even though Valentina is in pain, we can't intervene as we can still hear their heartbeats. With the right antibiotics and removing the source of infection, Valentina would be alive."
There was no conscientious objection on behalf of the doctor that intervened in this case, because there was no voluntary termination of the pregnancy, but the miscarriage was forced by the grave circumstances. I rule out that a doctor could have told the family what they say he told them.
Abortions have been legal in Italy since 1978, but the law gives doctors the right to refuse on moral grounds unless the mother's life is in danger. According to reports, the number of doctors in Italy refusing to perform abortions has risen by 10% in 12 years. Many women travel to other regions for the procedure. Some resort to illegal abortions. We got opposing reactions to this particular case.
Valentina Milluzzo.
Valentina Milluzzo would still be alive if she had been given an abortion. For the Catholic Church, any life is a life, and even babies who are going to die 2 hours after birth should be born anyway. Her story is not an isolated incident. It's a countrywide problem in Italy, and quite often sick women are transferred from church hospitals to regular hospitals when they are refused treatment. When the doctors in church hospitals diagnose a birth defect, some of them ask the mother, "What is the name of the baby that is there in your uterus?" They try to convince her not to terminate the pregnancy, even if they know the baby will be born only to die, just because they believe it should be so. These babies die, and the mothers cannot be protected by an abortion. I know it's hard as many of those women want the baby, but I'm convinced that they have the right to be informed beforehand about the risks, and that it must be a woman's considered choice if she wants to take the risk.
I'm pretty much against abortion, morally speaking, not only because I'm a Catholic, but simply because I think there are so many ways to prevent pregnancies. Now, even in 78, when the Italian law was issued on abortion, that I think really abortion is a crime. And the law basically is full of imperfections. It's not a complete law. It's not clear what the doctor has to do in certain cases. So I think the law should be changed. I think abortion should be allowed only when we know and we make sure that the fetus is carrying major disease, mental disease or physical disease and so on.